These are the details we got from registered.emt Medic about the
What causes fainting?
Nagpo-cause ang fainting if yung tao hindi kumakain before pumunta sa mga event na pupuntahan nila. Like what
Happen?
in the pag duty kami sa Fiesta Pilar. Most cases dyan is maraming nahihimatay na Fiesta Pilar is maraming nahihimatay na tao, like yung cases na nakukuha namin dyan is yung nahihimatay ng tao. So, ang first tinatanong namin if magmamanage kami sa patient, if kumain ba sila ng gabi or nag-breakfast ba sila bago pumunta sa misa. And yung mga sagot nila is wala. And kulang din sila sa tulog. So, that's the cause na nahimatay sila. And then, most of the time, yung pag-manage namin is pinapakain namin sila ng candy. Kasi, yung blood sugar nila is hypoglycemia.
Second question, can fainting be prevented?
Yes, mapiprevent ang fainting if may event kayong pupuntahan and maaga pa lang kumain na kayo ng breakfast and yun sa daily activities nyo dapat maaga pa lang kakain na kayo ng breakfast para naman may laman yung tiyan nyo at hindi kayo mahimatay. And pag may maintenance kayo, dapat uminom na din kayo ng maintenance nyo.
Third question, how do you treat fainting?
Yun na nga, like what I said earlier na pag hypoglycemia yung tao, papakainin natin ng chocolates or candies. And then, pag nahimatay yung tao, ipapares lang natin.
How do you treat fainting? To help treat or manage fainting, you have to lie down and elevate your legs so that the blood will flow back to your brain. You also need to take a full rest and drink plenty of fluids. How do you stop a nosebleed? To stop a nosebleeding, we have to sit up and lean forward so that the blood will not flow down to your throat and to prevent aspiration. And to manage that as well, you have to pinch your nose for at least 15 minutes and breathe through your mouth. And if it doesn't stop, you have to seek now for medical help.